Okay, so hey guys, and welcome back to another video of our channel, Infinity Gamers. My name is Ronak, and today we are going to test that what is better, the Glacier and Avenger Outzone, or simply Avenger Outzone. Just give me a second, guys. I'm coming back. Yeah, I'm back. So I was telling that today we are going to test that what is better, the Glacier and Avenger Outzone or simply Avenger Outzone. Okay, this is an pre-recorded video. That means I have recorded this video before and now I'm adding commentary to it. And yeah, we are going to see what is better. And yeah, also guys, if you find the thumbnail, okay, on the video, then please comment me down below if you have found that. And yeah, I think let's just begin with our video. We are going to have one free for all gameplay, and these are the skills that I have on my Outzone and my robots. Okay, I am just skipping a little bit forward. Yeah, let's just come to the gameplay part. And yeah, also in this video we are going to test different advanced repair unit. See here. Yeah, here it is. Advanced repair unit. Because now it doesn't only heal you, but it also counters the damage that you get. So yeah, in my opinion, it's a really good unit to choose. And the best thing about that is that you don't use it very often, right? And yeah, I'm skipping this part so that you guys don't get bored of on what second the battle begin. And yeah, here we are on the map called Moon, and yeah, we are spawning in directly with the Outzone. And you see here, enemy 5 is a Hellburner. However, I don't know what it is. And you see that? Wait, see, let me show you. There is a Stalker. I don't know what is that robot. Okay, up till now I will come to know that afterwards. And here he has level 9 or level 10 aphids on that Stalker. Okay, and now I see the Hellburner, and that was lagging, and I thought that, you know what, let's just use the self fight, because I thought that this is so hard to control with the Glacier. And see, wait, let me show you that part. I am flying. Okay, look at this, look at the Hellburner. Now you can see how how quickly the Hellburner's health is going. Now see here. Okay, see, now it's the part. Come on, boom. You see that his health was like almost for 40 to 45%. Wait, let me show you this again. And it dropped down to instantly to like 5 to 2%. See here. Here. Boom. See that? And that's what I mean, that there is a bug or a glitch with the freezing rockets. Okay? And I think yeah, we should use it. And see, up till now I don't know that's a Stalker, but I know that that's a little robot. Okay? And up till now I was thinking that it was some other robot but not Stalker. But when it's stealth, okay? And the another good thing that Stalker has is that he gets 2 times stealth than the Outzone. For example, when Outzone gets his 1 stealth fight, the Stalker already has 2 of the stealth fight. See, and now I came to know that this is a Stalker. Okay, we are also going to test the quantum radar in the next video, next section of the warbots. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is that we are having half of our blitz ready. I mean, not completely, that will take some time, but I have money ready for that. And I think our next goal will be to test the blitz. Okay, I think in nearly 1 month or so. Okay, but let's just keep going. And yeah, let's just go. See here. And now that's an incredible leveled aphids on the thing. Okay, Again, he's stealthing. Still, I don't have my stealth flight ready. In 3, 2, 1. And now I will be first because I will destroy the stalker. I already know what's the result, but I request you guys that please don't skip the video. See that again, that glitch happened. Or bug also. And now from here, the fun begins. I thought that this is a Leon and Natasha. But unfortunately that one is an outzone. And you see what I am doing here? As I see it's an outzone, I shake my head to say no, 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 please don't hit me, don't kill me. And it may happen that without not recognize me or pay attention to me, and then you saw that he's not shooting me, so why should I shoot him? Right? That one thing would have happened. But anyways, I still don't have enough reinforcements points to restore my outzone again. And I'm afraid that this guy shouldn't kill me. Because although I can spawn in my weapon and get some kills left and right, but still that will not make sense because this is an outzone video. And I wanna show all of you guys outzone's gameplay rather than the Wavannas. Okay, we have already made a video on the Wavanna. Oh my god, look at this 3 Glacier and 1 Avenger killing the bots. And now see here, I'm making a mistake. I'm flying up first, see? And my enemy, he's now flying. That was a mistake of mine because see what that cost me. First of all, I lost a little bit of my health. And see, now I stop firing. Imagine that the DOT effect will kill him. And this outzone is still attacking that Griffin. That means, see, and now I see that why is he not dead? And at the very same time, the outzone gets the kill. And I'm like, no, because I'm still afraid that if he decided to kill me, then what will happen to me is, seriously, I have to make the Wavannas gameplay. But anyways, we are still going and trying to break the neck of our enemies. I still do have my healing and my and a little bit magazine in my Avengers, okay? And you won't believe, guys, that this mistake which I made here, my opponent made that mistake very, very soon. Not in this fight, but in another fight. See this. There is only one gameplay. And yeah, guys, another thing I want to share with you is that I have installed the YouTube Studio app. And when I saw that what progress does that channel has, and then I was really shocked because since last 1 month there is no progress. Instead, there are the 2 subscribers that unsubscribe our channel. So I request all of you guys that please, guys, please help me. I need your support. However, I got this kill, and I'm using my stealth flight to come over there. And yeah, guys, I need your support too very, very much. I think you should share this video with your friends. And this is not like that only War Robots players should see it. If you are enjoying some another game, you can comment me down below and say that you can say me that what is going on, what game should I play. And now here you see, mistake is being now in this fight. I know that I have enough reinforcements points. You see here in the bottom left corner, there is a red arrow indicator showing that outzone is right behind me. Okay? And usually what happens when your enemy behind you or not in front, in your left side, right side or behind you, stealth, okay? Stealth. Then what happens? That arrow indicator is gone. See here. I was not paying attention to that arrow indicator. Now, see. Now it is gone. See that? Now it is gone. That means my opponent, the robot behind me is flying. He is flying. His stealth flight ends. I still have my stealth fight, but I'm not going to attack that guy. I'm going to attack that poor Natasha. See here. Boom. I have my full firepower loaded. He is out of range. Only I can hit him. That means only I can get his kill. Boom. Kill. Okay. And yeah, this is what I meant with this. And another thing. Wait. What is it? I think it's coming afterwards or now. Wait for a second, guys. I think it's coming right now. Yeah, here it is. No, not here. Sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I just forgot when it comes. But you see that this Arthur Titan is coming. My Titan is 100% charged, but I'm not going to jump in that because since this is an outtunes video, I don't think we should do the gameplay of the Titan. Okay, if it was a Titan video, then we'll show you jump into the Titan. Okay, but this is an outtunes video, so I think that we should not jump into that. Anyways, however, up till now I don't know. When I know, here, see, now I know that this is the Titan. What I do, I wait. See here. A little bit further. Yeah. Okay. Here it is. See. Now I don't know. I am see. To my left is the open ground. Okay, and to my right is some safety spot. Let me show you how I defend myself from the Arthur Titan. I know this is a Titan. I immediately, without thinking, I move to my left, to my right side. To my left is the open, to my right is the cover. I immediately move to there because if he wants to shoot me there, he has to expose himself to what's this guy's enemy? Wait, let me show you. If he wants to hit me, he has to hit open that. Oh, come on, dude. Okay. Enemy 4. Wait, guys, let me see what is this. It's enemy 1. Okay. So in order to hit me, he has to expose himself to enemy 1's firepower, which he would not do. Okay, but because he has so much firepower, which is too gracious. And now see, here he is making another mistake that he is landing in front of the Arthur Titan. However, he hasn't cover, but still. Now see what am I doing to this Arthur Titan. And now here I regenerate my glacier, and then I think that let's just kill him, but unfortunately Arthur's blast wave kills him. But I'm still not sad about this because I can get this Titan afterwards. How? Because I know that one of my weapons, that's glacier, does bypass Arthur Titan's shield, and that means if I have my stealth fight, my inbuilt flamethrower, he even wasted his blast wave. That means I can go above him and hit him with the Avengers. My inbuilt flamethrower bypasses energy and physical shield. My glacier bypasses physical shield, and that means this Arthur Titan has got no chance. He wastes his 100-meter blast wave. I can hit him with the Avengers. That means I have saved and Titan. I mean, now you can see, okay, what's the difference. And this is only one outshot. Okay, guys, don't forget this. And now I don't know how. Wait, you see this glitch? Now I don't know how, but that Titan got an DOT effect damage. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to meet him accidentally. I don't know how, but he gets DOT effect damage. How is this even possible in the whole world? He's looking back that is there anyone behind me? And then I hear he says no to me, but then I think that if he doesn't fight, I doesn't fight him, he doesn't fight me, that means we both will not fight each other. and that means that I cannot record the gameplay. What I do, immediately activate the stealth right now, right? Come on, yeah, see that? And now I'm hitting him. See what I do, what am I doing to this Titan? Even his 10% resistance or some resistance doesn't work here, although he has not activated it, but still, you can see what can I do to this Titan kid, okay? See, almost full the Titan, brought down immediately. No chance for him. Next time fight I will slay another Titan. 2 Titans slayed in one battle. Like this. See that? He's absolutely got no chance, dude. And now here's one thing that you should also do. You know that you don't have any support. Okay? You don't have any support. That means you don't have any ability or any friend. Okay? First, what was I doing after destroying my target? I was using my step to move to my enemy. I don't have any friend from now on. That means I have to regenerate my stealth fight. Only then I will be able to protect myself from this Titan kid. Right? What am I doing? The Titan is slayed, and see here. I am manually landing because I have to regenerate my stealth fight. If I wait that much time, that means my opponent will get that much time to just to make him bot come to me, okay, and even destroy my robot. And then I thought that let's just heal one time. We deserve at least one healing, okay. And this is the reason you don't use your heal that often. I know, and I think that this is a Glacier Outchun. And wait, my prediction is right, is totally correct. It's an Glacier Outchun. Okay, what do I do? That's right. See, he's flying. I'm activating my healing twice. Okay, for absolutely no reason. Actually, seriously, guys, I wasted my 40 power cells. Now he lands and he does the same thing. He goes into that what's called, it's that cabin or a little bit, and I'm stuck there. So I thought that, why not just manually land and just get into the cover, and the match is anyways ended. This is the reason why Glacier and Avenger Outchun is better than only Avenger Outchun. Avenger does not bypass physical shield. Glacier, however, bypass physical shield, and he also that means Glacier also drains the energy shield quickly. Now I'm showing you that's profile. Second player's profile is loaded on another platform. So I'm showing you. Wait. See. Now I'm showing you player 3's profile. 1.1 million damage dealt easily. I'm showing you number 3's profile. See here. Enemy 4. See. He is the guy with the stalker. See. And what stalker he has got? Let me show this to you. Level 8 aphid and level 7 aphid with level 6 stalker. Well, that's not bad level aphids, okay? Yeah, I don't think it's bad level. They are bad level, okay? They are good. They are good enough. Yeah, guys, this was today's video. Thanks for giving your precious 20 minutes to me. In my opinion, the Glacier and Avenger Outchun does better. The range is always a disadvantage, but that's okay because you get your enemies here to your left and to your right, so you don't have to worry much about that. You can get kills if you are a skilled player. And guys, see, now what is going on? I am saying you guys that one thing. If you are thinking that how much we earn so much gold, and so much silver. That's simply because I play only war robots. Okay, and what matches do I play? See, in some matches, not only 1, 2, 3 Phantoms, okay, and the Jones and the Ares, Max, Mark 2, level 12, as matches they could ever seen, okay. Sorry for the screen rotation. Maxed, fully maxed, no chance. You have got no chance against them thing. They bring that, so we quit that match, okay, or at least or sometimes I do even play and win that, but most of the time let's say my kill is stolen, and I'm dead by that same people, then I leave that game because there is nothing for me in that game, right? And this is how when I play some matches with cool out Jones, okay, not max level by hacking and doing all the thing, but proper level out Jones with proper setup, okay, then I play. Yeah, okay. I play there only then, okay. Otherwise I don't play. Yeah, that's the thing how I can play. And yeah, I think you all guys should. Yeah, the video is ended. I should end it right here. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you find funny, entertaining, or my English language some funny or something, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel and comment down if you have seen the thumbnail or not. And if you have seen, please tell me how the thumbnail was. Okay, I will see you in the other video, guys. Until that, goodbye.